Hello everyone, I'm Margaret. It's my pleasure to share with you the speech entitled, How to Make the Best of Artificial Intelligence. How can we make the best of artificial intelligence? This issue has been raised for a long time, and I believe some people have already found their ways to live with AI. If you are not one of them, it is totally fine. We can read the lesson titled Artificial Companions and the Limits of Connection and consider its advantages and its detrimental consequences. Finally, you can find your own way. When it comes to benefits, the first thing is artificial companions, which can be entertaining. When it comes to benefits, the first thing is artificial companions, which can be engaging, entertaining, and emotionally supportive. For example, we can interact with AI in different languages, creating more opportunities to practice conversations. Moreover, some people prefer to confide in AI about their feelings because AI responses are often positive and non-judgmental. On the other hand, excessive dependence on artificial companions may erode social skills, empathy, and teamwork. We often learn essential social skills through human relationships. However, when individuals increasingly substitute AI interactions for human ones, they risk losing their ability to understand and respond to others. Furthermore, they may develop unrealistic expectations of real world, such as constant agreement, which is unattainable. After weighing the pros and cons, we can embrace the benefits while recognizing the limitations. It is impossible and ridiculous for AI to substitute for human connections. Only with family, friends, and peers can we experience truly meaningful connections, understanding, and emotional support. Thank you.